Hello everyone, we're going to be going over how to do the paper airplane project. So first, you're going to need to make a paper airplane. Which you can fold like this. You know, something like this. And roughly come out to like the traditional paper airplane shape. Or, you know, fold like this. And yeah, I know mine's already got fold lines on it, but that's because this is a retake of this video. And, you know, SDI, Sustainable Development Institute, didn't want to use another piece of paper. Yeah, you'll roughly come out to this shape. Then you're gonna throw your paper airplane and hopefully do a better job on that. Although technically I guess that'd be perfectly acceptable. Good enough. And you're going to count the paces out for how far it is away. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So my paper airplane is about 6 paces away. Then I'm going to take that and write it down onto my paper. So these were the first 2 throws. And we're going to go across from 6. Mark down and write which flight it was. So if you're doing this with other people, then what you'll do is almost like a competition where you're, throwing your paper airplane and they're throwing their paper airplanes, and that's what you're putting down on the graph is your flight and other people's flights. If you're doing this alone, then you're doing it by, your individual flight. Then you're going to answer the questions that are directed for the activity. If you're doing it alone, then, it'll be stuff like which flight went the farthest. And if you're doing it with others, then it'll be stuff like, whose paper airplane went the farthest. And basically this will help you learn, it'll give you a real-world example as to how to interpret graphs on the ACT in the real world. And you'll be able to think back onto it when you're taking the actual test.